Good morning. It is a beautiful day here in North Carolina, and today we're going to talk about photographing Soras. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, today I'm in the Guilford County Farm. This is a public park. I've actually had you guys out here before with me. If you hear some gunshots in the background, there is a police range that's about a mile from where I am now, and apparently they're firing very loud guns. But today, with any luck, I'll be able to photograph a Sora. Now, I'm kind of excited about that. So I'm in the north central part of North Carolina, and Soras are very rarely reported here. Soras is a rare bird here in North Carolina, but they do winter and out in the Outer Banks in the winter time. They like brackish water or freshwater swamps, what they do here. This bird here has been reported here for 4 days now, and as a matter of fact, I just got a report that it was seen just a few hours ago. So I'm really excited about this. I'm really hoping I can photograph this bird. I have actually seen this bird in Florida and Ohio, and both times the situations were not very good for photographing them. So I'm really hoping I do this. So these birds migrate from North Carolina, and actually they are on the coast of the United States all the way through the Gulf of Mexico, and they migrate to the north central part of the United States and into Canada. So you'll find them usually in Idaho, Montana, and then north of that into Canada. These birds are a fairly common bird there. They're actually reported to be very easy to photograph there. But I'm excited to see this bird here. It's been reported here for about 4 days, which indicates to me that there might be an injury going on, or there was something that stopped this bird from continuing to migrate, because usually when a bird stops in migration, they'll stop for 1 or 2 days and then they'll keep moving on, because this bird has about 2,000 miles to fly, and it can't spend 5 days everywhere it stops on the way there. So with some luck, I'll be able to photograph it. Well, I just got an incidental bird, a red-winged blackbird, a very common bird here in North Carolina. They like to be in these wet, marshy areas here. This bird breeds in North Carolina, and some of the birds overwinter here. But this time of year, the red-winged blackbird is an all-black bird, very sleek. It has a red and yellow epitaphs on their shoulders, and the males will sit on top of branches in the wetlands, and they will spread their wings out and start calling. They are an incredible bird to photograph, and I really, really enjoy taking pictures of them. The other thing about being a common bird is that a lot of times you'll see those epic photos that you see in magazines or birding websites, and a lot of times they're a common bird like the red-winged blackbird, because you can spend so much time with them that you can get those epic photos. Well, I'm very excited. I just was able to photograph this Sora. It literally, I've been out here for about 3.5 hours now, and I haven't seen it, I haven't heard it, and I was gonna stick it out. I was gonna stay here, so I keep telling myself. But anyways, I heard it calling down here, and I ran down here to get its picture. It was out in the open. I was able to get its picture, and I'm really excited about it. This is something that worked really hard. Like I said, this is my 3rd day out here looking for this bird, and it's just been a nightmare trying to find this bird. And the thing is, I knew it was here because I've got reports that it was here. I've heard it call, but this is my first time actually seeing it, which I'm very, very excited about it. But anyways, I'm going to show you those pictures here. But first, I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel, because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Sean Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.